This has been the most exciting 4 days that I have had in a long time. Destination Success has exceeded my expectations between the workshops that we had and all the suppliers that we were able to meet with.
When you come to Destination Success, you don't have access to maybe one or two vendors who are there to help you or talk to you. You have access to all of our suppliers. And between the trade show and the different sessions that they do, just hearing them, you get to build that relationship.
It's about the relationships here and everybody wanting to help you and everybody committed to the same goal about taking care of your clients.
Everybody is invested in your success. Question is, what can I do to help you? And there's just that feeling of camaraderie.
If you don't attend, you're missing out.
When you walk in, everybody is warm, welcoming. The executive staff, they operate in their lives with gratitude and gratefulness, and just seeing the way everybody treats everyone else is one of the really positive experiences that I get here at Destination Success.
KHM as a whole is so family oriented that they make you feel included and not afraid to ask if you don't know, because nobody's going to respond to you like you're stupid or like, oh God. They're there and they let you know that all the time. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. They give you that confidence to know that you can do this.
My clients know that I know what I'm talking about. I can sell Viking confidently without thinking twice about it because of Destination Success.
I think the biggest takeaway for me was finally getting a chance to meet Rick. And you find out that he's just as humble and down to earth as you hoped he was gonna be.
Rick is the heart and soul of this business. He is the owner, but he has a huge responsibility to all of us. And every staff member at KHM feels that same responsibility. And once you come here and you get to meet some of those people, once you get to build those relationships, you'll understand why we all say KHM's the best.
I'm just knowing that KHM was the perfect fit for me because it took me a long time to find a host company, and I'm glad I'm here.
I liked the intimate feel. I thought the caliber of the speakers were outstanding. You can really get a sense of how well respected KHM Travel is just by the caliber of the people who come here and then the information that they're sharing. And then they're all available. It wasn't like they were just on stage and disappeared. They were here for like 3 days. A lot of times, here's the speaker, okay, thanks, goodbye, take a picture, and they're gone. And you're lucky if maybe you get a snapshot with them. But here, we had dinner with like the whole Carnival team, Princess and all those guys. So there is a tremendous level of respect for KHM and what KHM does. And then that filters down to us as agents.
The spending of the money and the investment that I did to come here and the time that I used to be here is beneficial, is definitely gonna make my business grow.
The investment that I've put into it for this trip has already paid for itself tenfold.
If you've got the opportunity to come to Destination Success, you're going to learn about suppliers that you probably didn't know that much about before you came.
You walk out energized, you walk out building new relationships with other agents that maybe you've seen online, and you get to spend time with agents that are not only at the top of their game, but you get to spend time with agents who are just starting out, and we're always about lifting each other up.
From the first time I came, I met a lot of agents, and from that point, I have to make an emphasis at least to come to Destination Success.
I'll definitely be back next year.
So I'm going to end definitely back to Destination Success. I know this is going to be an annual for me.
Get here, don't miss a KHM event.
It truly is a family, and we're all excited. It's like a family reunion is what it really is. So if you have not come to Destination Success yet and you have the wherewithal to get here, just get here, or at least get to any live KHM event, because you will not regret it.